What's going on, everyone? My name's Jose, and today I'm going to be giving you my top 5 cryptos that I'm watching this week. And I'm also going to show you my gambling portfolio, which is basically all included with like SafeMoon, Eclipse, and some other ones that are going to be right there. And I'm going to show you all of those right after this. First and foremost, you know what we have to do. We got to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor, and basically I am just letting you know what I'm investing in, some of the gambling things that I'm doing. I call it gambling because some of these coins are honestly just they're not what what you would think they are, right? Before we begin, make sure you smash that like button, and if you want to get more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Now let's go ahead and start the show. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys is my gambling portfolio. I honestly call it gambling just because some of these coins in this portfolio have nothing to do with anything. Like, they're literally just there. They're nothing like a Bitcoin or an Ethereum or a Cardano that are trying to solve, real life things. So if we look at the first one on the list, it is Eclipse. Eclipse has been coming up and it's been basically making people a lot of money. I've seen it on TikTok, on a bunch of social media sites. And don't take advice from TikTok. Like, that just doesn't make sense, right? But some people have, and they've made a lot of money, but some of them have also lost a lot of money. So also keep that in mind. So Eclipse is the first one that you see there. And this token, I came in with around $70 and right now is at $127. The next one is SafeMoon. I know you only see $40 there, but with SafeMoon, I've already made around like $1,200 or so. The first time I invested, I think I invested like $60 or $80, but this was like probably a month ago, and then it skyrocketed. It came up to almost $1,000. It was like 900 and change, and then I took out all of that money. I put it into another stable coin, maybe just like USD, and I also bought some Ethereum with it. I put another $50 into Safe BTC that you see there that I have 199 million coins of, and that one's down 50%. I actually also invested in WSB token. WSB token right now is worth around 21 cents or so at the time of this recording, and that's around 80 bucks that's worth. So yeah, there you have it. That's my gambling portfolio, and honestly, these coins have made me a lot of money. I would consider it a lot of money because my initial investment was about like $300-$400, and I kind of almost tripled my money, and I'm up like $1,500. My other big gamble that I took in December, which is Dogecoin, I actually put in $180 back in December, and I had about 23,000 coins, and I recently sold, it was like $3,400 worth, just so that I can get some profits out of there. I have 12,000 coins left out of everything that I've sold. I sold about 10,000 coins, so I'm very happy. I mean, if it ever goes to $1, it's still $12,000 there, but we'll see. I'm still holding on strong. And now I'm going to tell you my top 5 favorite cryptos that I'm investing in and that I think are going to do really well long term. So the first one that I have on my list and that you guys probably already heard me talk about is Ethereum. Ethereum is honestly my favorite cryptocurrency right now besides Bitcoin. I mean, I'm not really too heavily into Bitcoin as the price range just is too high. And I think the amount of money that you can make off of that is just not enough. If it 2x's, 3x's, 4x's, it's still not enough. And then Ethereum on the other end, it can 5x and I can just make that money there. But that's just my point of view, right? Number 2 is Cardano. Cardano is supposed to be Ethereum's main competitor, and I'm very bullish on Cardano. Cardano right now is like $1 and change, and I'm just dollar cost averaging as high as I possibly can, and I'm just gonna keep putting money into that because I know long term it could be another option for those that can't afford Ethereum later on. My third favorite cryptocurrency is XRP, and just before you go buy this and you do anything, just make sure that you do your homework because right now they are actually under legal proceedings with the SEC, and there's just a lot of problems, and it's making the coin itself very volatile. My fourth favorite coin is gonna be VeChain. VeChain, I think, definitely in the future, 5-10 years is definitely going to be a very good coin that a lot of people can use. And this is mostly how I invest. You guys know that I'm a long-term investor, and most of these coins are long-term gems. And my fifth favorite one is going to be Polkadot for sure. I know you've probably heard of this one, and they do have a very good following base, and they also have a great usability. Right now they're, I think, trading at around $31.50, and honestly I think they do have a very bright future ahead of them. I'm currently also dollar cost averaging in order to make sure that we make some money long term. Right now the market is super volatile, and I've seen 10% dips 15% dips, but I don't look at it as a negative thing. I mean, obviously it is a negative thing. We don't want it to go down, but you should be able to look at this as a buying opportunity. This is another way for you to increase your position in whatever cryptocurrency that it is that you're looking at, because this is just the best way to dollar cost average. But there you have it. Those are all the cryptocurrencies that I actually currently hold and that I'm currently watching just to increase my positions. Let me know down in the comment sections which ones are you actually currently invested in. And like always, make sure you leave the comments down in the comment section. I'm always here to answer any other questions like I did with that Safe Moon video that I uploaded not too long ago. And like I always say, we're here breaking the cycle, making sure that our future generations are wealthy and healthy. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.